Greetings. My name is Ronnie Lucas and I'm president of Platinum Dynamic Institute, and also I am a subscriber to this pain cure clinic and a testament. I'm here to testify to the efficacy of the treatment following the John Sarno's approach to eliminating chronic pain. And I can honestly say that I had excruciating back pain. It has been so bad that I would have to crawl to just get around. And just following doctor's advice and acupuncturists and chiropractors, I mean, I've been through all of them. Nothing has served me as well as going through this, gaining a thorough understanding of the power of the unconscious mind and how stress can impact the body. And I just learned so much through it, but I can tell you, as of this morning, I was able to do a 45-minute bike ride. I'm doing push-ups and just a number of things that I was informed by the medical professions were totally off limits to me at this particular point, and I shouldn't even consider. One of the best things I've done is to just embrace meditation at a greater level, to just kind of let go. And this foam back roller, or foam roller, I use this on a daily basis, and it just eliminates all the tension that's in the muscles, and I'm pretty good for throughout the rest of the day. So I highly recommend anybody just follow the information that's being provided and just allow time to take its course, and I think you'll be okay. I will talk with you guys later. Good luck.